important part of our SPI entrance preparation. As far as spotting the error, such kinds of questions are concerned, we have to be good at grammar skills, then vocabulary, tenses, parts of speech, and the topics like subject, verb, agreement. Subject verb agreement, that means the verb agrees with the subject of the sentence. The verb has to agree with the subject in that particular sentence. So according to the subject, the verb changes. It has to change according to the subject in the sentence. This is called the subject verb agreement. We are learning some tips, some important examples. For example, when two subjects, when two subjects, but both the subjects are singular. When two singular subjects are connected by and, at that time the verb will be in its a singular number. Again, let me tell you, when the two singular subjects are connected or joined by and, that time the verb will be in its a singular number. For example, he, when two subjects are connected, when two subjects, when two subjects and both the subjects are in singular, both the subjects are in singular, that time we have to use the verb in plural. Please note this. Again, let me tell you, subject plus and plus subject in singular, right? Because another rule is also there. When two singular subjects are joined by and, that time verb will be in its a plural form. For example, Shreya and her brother were present for party. Raj and Rohan are neighbors. When two singular subjects are joined by and, that times verb will be in its a plural form. Plural. But but when two subjects are connected by and both the subjects indicate one idea, that time the verb will be in its a singular. Again, let me tell you, when two singular subjects are connected by and, that time the verb will be in its a plural form. But though there are two subjects and connected by and, but both the subjects indicate the one idea, that time verb will be in its a singular form. For example, school and education is my favorite subject. Here, school and education, two subjects are there, they connected by and, but verb is singular because school and education, both the subjects indicate one idea. Then clever and brilliant indicates one idea, indicate one idea. Idli and vada, two different subjects are connected by and, but both the two subjects indicate one idea, and that is about food. So verb will be in its a singular number. Then each day, each hour is a working experience. each day and each hour. So first subject and before that is each. Second subject and before that is each. And each day and each hour, both subjects are connected by and. That time also we have to use the singular verb. Each day and each hour is a working experience. Every child and every grandmother. So child and grandmother, though they seem to be two subjects, and they are, but connected by and before each subject, every, every, every child, every grandmother is used. So every child and every grandmother presents there. But teacher and guide has come. Teacher and guide has come when teacher and guide, both the subjects are about one person. That time subject we have to verb we have to use in singular. Here the teacher is not different than the guide, and guide is not different than the teacher. The teacher is a guide only. When you do your PhD at that time, the person and under whose supervision we complete our PhD, that is called the guide. So the teacher and guide is about same person. When two subjects indicate just one person at that time, the verb will be in singular form. The teacher and guide has come, not have come. Then citizen and honest gentleman has gone. Here the citizen and honest man, the citizen who is an honest gentleman, they seem to be two subjects but indicate just one person or one subject. That's why singular verb will be there. The citizen and honest gentleman has gone. Then the citizen and honest man. So the article is used before citizen and honest gentleman. When we use article the for the next subject also, that time verb will be in its a plural form. For example, the citizen and the honest man have gone. Here the citizen is different and the honest gentleman is different. Dear friends, when more than two or more subjects are connected by either dash dash or, when two or more subjects are connected by either dash dash or neither dash dash nor, that time the verb will be in its a singular number. The verb will be in its a singular number. When two or more subjects are connected, when two or more subjects are connected by either dash dash or neither dash dash or, that time the verb will be in its a singular form. For example, either Priya or Riya is the captain of team. Either Priya or Riya is the captain of team. Priya and Riya are connected by either or. That time when subjects are connected, two or more subjects are connected by either or neither nor, that time the verb will be in its a singular form. Second example of this type, neither my uncle nor his daughter arrived here. neither my uncle, and nor his daughter, So two subjects are connected by neither nor. That time, the verb will be in its singular form. Now, neither Rajan nor his family members. Now look at here, very important. Neither my uncle nor his daughter. At both places, the subjects were in singular. And when two singular subjects are connected by neither nor, the verb is in neither nor or either or, the verb is in singular. But when these two subjects are of different numbers, now, for example, neither Rajan, singular, nor his family members, plural. At that time, the subject which is near to the verb, that verb will change according to the nearer subject. And the second subject which is near to the verb is in plural, and that's why the verb will be plural. For example, neither Rajan nor his family members were present. Either teacher or students, either teacher or students, either teacher or one student nahi hai. Second subject is in plural. Subjects are connected by either or, and verb will change according nearer subject. Which is the nearer subject? That is students, either teacher or students. When students second subject is in plural, that's why the verb will be in plural form. The verb will be in plural form. Either teacher or students are to be rewarded. Now, dear friends, when collective noun is used, the subject is in collection, the collective noun. Subject is a collective noun. At that time, if it connects one idea or thing that is a whole, we have to use verb in singular. The team has won the match. Actually, the team has the collection of players, but those collected players indicate just one team whole. They are not referred. How they are referred? They are referred as a one. That time verb will be in it's a singular number. But the same team, when it is referred as individuals, at that time verb will be in plural form. Now, when two nouns are connected by with, along with, as well as, at that time, when two subjects or two nouns are connected by with, along with, or as well as, at that time the verb will change according to the first subject. For example, the chief minister with his all ministers. The chief minister, first subject, with his all ministers, second subject. At this time, when two subjects are connected, when nouns are connected by with, along with, or as well as, at that time verb will change according to its first subject or first noun. The chief minister will, the chief minister with his all ministers was given special praise. Was is a verb which is in singular, has changed according to the first subject. Honesty as well as virtues. Here the subjects are two, honesty, virtues, and these two subjects are joined by as well as. When subjects or nouns are connected by as well as, along with, or with, at that time the verb will change according to the first subject in that particular sentence. Honesty is the first subject, so verb in the sentence will change according to the first subject, that is honesty, and it is in singular. So honesty as well as virtues is found in learned man. And dear friends, one more important thing, either, neither, everyone, and many. Again, when the sentence has begun with either, neither, each, every, many, after this, we have to use the verb in singular. When a sentence begins with either, neither, each, everyone, and many, and then subject, we have to use the verb in its a singular. For example, either one of us has to complete this work. Either one of us has to complete this work. Then neither of the two dresses suits me. Neither the two dresses. It seems to be two, but the sentence has begun with the neither. So neither of the two dresses suits me. Each of the sisters, though subject seems to be plural, but before that is each. So each of the sisters has command over language. Everyone was rewarded for success. Everyone. Then many a times, पुष्कळ वेळा, काफी बार, many a times, one gets golden crown. Though the sentence has begun with many, but the verb will be in its a singular form. Now I share the screen with you now. ऋषिकेश सर, स्क्रीन शेअर करतोय.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर. आलिए.
Yes, sir. Word file आली. Subject वर.
Yes, yes. हाँ सर, okay sir. Now, dear friends, those tips or the rules are more specified here on your screen now. This part of our English grammar is very important. Subject verb agreement. That means verb in a sentence changes according to the subject. That is called the subject verb agreement. This is the agreement between subject and verb. Verb will change according to the subject in the sentence. Now, if two subjects, let's recap. Let's two subjects together express one idea. One being added to the other for the sake of emphasis or classification, the verb is singular. No plurality is left to exist in such a case. Then here you will see slow and steady. Though they are two subjects, but they are connected with and two subjects indicate one idea, that is about food. So verb will be in its a singular form. Slow and steady wins the race. Again, bread and slow and steady wins the race. That is, here slow and steady means firmness. It indicates the firmness. Who is firm on his efforts, aim will win the race. Now, bread and butter. Though here two subjects, but they indicate one idea, that is food. When two subjects which are connected by and but indicates the one idea, at that time verb will be in its singular number. Bread and butter is essential for one's existence. Then second, when the plural noun denotes some specific quantity, distance or time or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. Here you will see 6 miles. It seems to be plural, but it indicates one specific quantity, and that's why verb is in singular. 6 miles is not a long distance for me. 10 lakh, it seems to be plural, but indicates a specific quantity. That's why verb is in singular number. 10 lakh is equivalent to a million. Number 3, two or more singular subjects, two or more singular subjects connected by either or neither nor take a verb in singular, third person singular verb. Look at here. When two or more singular subjects, Vivek and Vimal, these are two singular subjects. When two or more singular subjects are connected by either or, that time the verb in the sentence will be in its a singular number. Either Vivek or Vimal is absent today. Next, he asked me if either of the applicants, either of the applicants was suitable. Either you or I shall go to the party or will go to the party. Next, here, when the subject joined by or nor, when the subjects are joined by or nor, are of different numbers, Amit, singular, and parents, his parents, plural number. When subjects which are joined by or nor of different numbers, the verb must be plural and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb. At this time, the subject will be plural and verb will be put next to the second subject. That means second subject is nearer to the verb. For example, either Amit or his friends are coming to the party. Then 4. Now 5. Each one of these boys has the potential to get selected. Each one of these boys has the potential to get selected. Here, any noun qualified by each or every, followed by a singular verb, even if two nouns so qualified are connected by and, the verb must still be singular. Now, here you will see any noun qualified by each, though it is plural or singular, subject will be in singular number. Has, here you will see each one of these boys has the potential to get selected. Then every man and women, those seem to be two, but these subjects are qualified by every, and that's why verb will be in singular. Every man and woman was filled with joy. Next, every day and each hour, every day. Though there are two subjects, but they are qualified or described by every, and that's why verb in the sentence will be in singular number. Every day and each hour teaches us something. Now next, now Rahul and not his friend was absent. Amit, like his friends, is always late. He, as well as you, is a good boy. Here and not, like, and then as well as. You note on these words are the group of words. Verb is according to the first subject. Look at here. This verb was, is, and is. Verb will be there, or it will be there according to the first subject. Here, Rahul, Amit, and he, these are the first subject. But when they are connected with and not, when they are connected with and not, as well as, in addition to, along with, besides, like, and together, verb will be in its singular when the subjects are connected with and not, then like, and as well as. So Rahul and his friend are connected with and not. So the verb will be according to the first subject, that is once. Then Amit and his friends, they are connected with like. So here this verb will change according to Amit. And here he as well as you is a good boy. He and you are connected with as well as, so the verb will change according to the first. Means verb is according to the first subject when they are connected with and not, when they are connected with and not, as well as, then in addition to, along with, besides, like, and together. Now next, dear friends, look at here. Not only the officer, not only the officer, but also the soldiers. The officers, the soldiers. Two subjects are there. Not only the officer, but also the soldiers were awarded. Verb is used in its a plural number. Verb is used and it's a plural number. Dear friends, when two nouns or pronouns are joined by not only but also, when two nouns or pronouns are joined by not only dash dash but also, the verb agrees with the second noun or pronoun. This verb will agree with the second noun or pronoun, the soldiers. Here, not only the officer but also the soldier. When subjects are connected with not only but also, at that time the verb will change. It will agree with the second subject, means with the second noun or pronoun in the sentence. Here, in this sentence, you will see the soldiers is in plural number. This is in plural number. That's why verb is in plural number also. Not only the officer, but also the soldiers, were awarded. Then the number of one days means one day cricket. The number of one days played these days has led to the deterioration of the game. Means many one days are played today or these days. The number of one days played these days has led to the deterioration, means bad condition or deterioration of the game. That means people are uh, uh, according to this sentence, people are maybe not that much interested in the game because there are over one years, over number of one years, many one days are played these days, and that's why people may not have that much interest in the game. This is the sense of this sentence. Deterioration means bad condition. The number of one days played these days has led to the deterioration of the game. Dear friends, when two nouns, or pronouns are joined, if the subject, look at here, we are on this. When, if the subject is the number of, here, the number of, if the subject is the number of, the singular verb is used and the noun is plural. If the subject is the number of, the singular verb is used and the noun is plural. Here, the number of, the sentence begins with the number of, then the noun is in plural, the subject is in plural. Though the subject is in plural, the verb will be in its singulars. The number of wonders played these days has led to the deterioration of the game. Here, has is singular. Is singular. The number of wonders played these days has led to the deterioration of the game. The sentence started with the number of, then the subject is in plural, but the verb is in singular. When a sentence begins with the number of, though the subject is plural, but the verb will be in singular. Hence, the number of wonders played these days has led to the deterioration of the game. Now we'll stop here. Don't go anywhere. We'll continue our next section very soon. सर सेकंड सेशन आपण सुरू करूया. या ठिकाणी थांबू. ऋषिकेश सर या ठिकाणी थांबू, सेकंड सेशन सुरू करू.